This is Ben's Snickers fruit salad, and we are making it today. So let's get to it. It's delicious. You are not gonna wanna miss this. First up, 1 cup of blueberries, washed. And goes 1 cup of grapes, whole, washed. 1 cup of diced strawberries. And now we're gonna cut up 6 Granny Smith apples into bite-sized pieces. Apples are cut. Now we're gonna take 6 full-size Snickers bars and chop these up and add them in. Now you're gonna take 16 ounces of Cool Whip and add a package of Jell-O cheesecake to each one. I kind of screwed up. I was supposed to buy the 16-ounce container of Jell-O and add the 5-ounce thing, but I didn't do that, so we're improvising here. All right, once you have the Cool Whip and the pudding mix mixed together like this, you're gonna add it right into here, like that. This definitely makes a lot, so now we're going to fold everything together. You definitely need a big bowl for this. Obviously, we're gonna taste test. Ooh, yum. Looks good. Oh yeah, yum. Let me know if you make this. We're gonna transfer it into a prettier bowl and get it in the fridge to chill for later.